Dear students, we are making a study on the Industrial Revolution, and I studied the basic features of Industrial Revolution and major inventions that was made by the prominent scientists, and we studied the Britain that became the cradle of Industrial Revolution, and within a short span of time, the vigor and enthusiasm of Industrial Revolution that was experienced by all parts of the world. And today we have to make a study on the impact of Industrial Revolution. We know the Industrial Revolution that made tremendous changes in the life process and life situation of the people in the entire part of the world. And one of the important results or impact of Industrial Revolution was that of the emergence of factory system. First of all, we have to make a reference on what actually means a factory and system that is concerned with a factory. The Industrial Revolution that precipitated the industrial capitalism. Along with the precipitation of industrial capitalism, the Industrial Revolution created much competition among the European countries for getting more and more places, the entire part of the world, for getting the colonies or markets. These colonies or market that served as the places for the collection of the raw materials, and the raw materials from the colonies that was exported to the Britain, and these raw materials that were converted in the finished goods in the factories, English factories that launched or constructed after Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution that created changes in the process of production. We studied that the production, the pre-industrial period that was connected with the houses, cottage-based, house-based industry that was prevailed in the entire part of the world. But new energy sources that was identified, especially that of water and steam. Steam that became an important energy source that replaced human muscle power. So the steam power driven machines were highly complicated and huge. So it is a complicated process of running a machine that is supported by the steam. So now the cottage based industry or house based industry, that is a very difficult process. Human muscle power that was replaced by the steam. So separate buildings that was very essential for the installation of the huge sophisticated machines. So the places where the machines were installed and where large number of labor force recruited were known as factories. So what actually means a factory? Factory means a place where sophisticated machines were placed, and it was the place large number of laborers were appointed. So in connection with the factories, a new working culture that was developed, then that of agriculture, a new working culture that was developed in the factories. So in this way, along with this factory system or the factory based production, social changes that was occurred. Division of labor, large scale production, capital, and now labor that became the dominant features of the industrial society. So what are the dominant features of the industrial society? One, that is use of machines, division of labor, large scale production, capital-oriented economy, then again labor that became the part of the industrial society. So one of the important result or impact of industrial revolution was that of the emergence of factory system. So the factory system that we means the system that is based on the factory. The emergence of factory that was necessitated by the invention of the sophisticated machines run by the steam engine in place of the human muscle power. Another important result of the industrial revolution was that of the emergence of an industrial society. So earlier time the society that was based on the agrarian economy, and in this agrarian economy we identify two important classes. One is masters and another is that of slaves or the laborers. But in an industrial society, the social division that was capitalist group who were the owners of the factory, and they were invested huge money and material for the running of the factory. So they were known as the capitalists. Those who were the owners of the means of production, those who were the owners of the factory were known as the capitalists. And those who were laborers or those who were recruited in a factory, they were known as the working class, or otherwise known as proletariat group. Working class or the proletariat group. So naturally, a social division slowly began to emerge in connection with the factory system. And in the social division, upper class were known as the capitalists or owners of the factory, and lower class were known as the workers or the proletariat group. So in connection with the industrial revolution, in connection with a new production oriented economy, a capitalist economy that precipitated social changes also. The concept of leisure, the concept of spending time, that was subjected to change. New taste in art, literature, music, science that began to emerge in connection with the emergence of industries. The people now have much time to spend in the reading of the books, engaged in the artwork, engaged in music, and they spend time in the scientific discoveries. So in this way, education that was flourished, new libraries and universities were formed, a new social sector that was formed in Europe as part of the industrial revolution. And another important result of industrial revolution, that was urbanization and emergence of cities. Urbanization and emergence of cities, another that we have to identify as the another important result of industrial revolution. So you have to make a close look upon the process of industrialization. So when the industrialization emerged as the means of survival, large number of people who were migrated from urban area to migrated from villages to the urban areas. So in parallel to the industrial revolution, agrarian revolution that was occurred in Britain, and as part of this agrarian revolution, large cultivated area of the peasants was confiscated by the big landowners, and the peasants lost their means of livelihood, and they individually or along with their family they were migrated to the urban areas. So urban areas where the peasants and other working group migrated, that they are known as cities, towns and cities. So we have to make an argument that city became the symbol of the industrial society. City became the symbol of the industrial society. So along with the emergence of cities, there occurred the alteration of the village life. Corresponding to the city life, alterations that was naturally occurred in the village life. So these cities were connected. Each cities were connected. So connectivity that was made possible because of the emergence of the new form of transport and communication system. So new form of connectivity that was came into place because of the emergence of transport and communication system, especially that of railway. So the introduction of the railway that created a new connectivity. The towns and villages were connected. The villages were connected. Towns also were connected. And now the people movements that is very easy now as part of the industrial revolution. So the cities and urbanization that can be identified the another important impact of the industrial revolution. One of the problems that created by the industrial revolution was that of high population density in a particular area. One time some of the places, especially some villages, were deserted, but there were overcrowding and overpopulation in certain areas where the industries were located. So population growth that can be identified as the another important result of the industrial revolution. And there was the replacement of the domestic system by the factory system. This point we already explained. So large number of towns that were emerged in Britain, that including London, then again Bristol, Manchester, Liverpool, Glasgow, that Sheffield. So some of the places were deserted, but world famous cities were emerged as part of the industrial revolution. But most crucial problem that created by industrial revolution was that of the environmental problem. While studying the human evolution, we have to identify four important mode of production. One, that is gathering mode of production. Gathering mode of production, that is the first phase of human evolution. Second one, that is pastoralist mode of production. Third one is that is of settlement mode of production. And fourth one, that is of industrial mode of production. So the industrial mode of production that is emerged in connection with the industrial revolution. So the pre-industrial society, they created near equilibrium or balance between the people and natural properties. So the natural properties were very carefully used by the pre-industrial societies because they feared the caprices of the nature, the flood, volcanic gases, natural calamities, all the phenomenon of the nature that was afraid by the pre-industrial societies. But the industrial society, they created a new theory that natural resources are plenty and that is to be exploited. Natural resources are plenty and that is to be exploited. That is the new theory developed by the industrial society. So just you imagine, for maintaining 1 kilometer of railway line, huge quantity of wood, especially that of teak and sal, that were essential for maintaining the railway line. at least for 1 kilometer. You imagine how much of or how much quantity of food that is essential. So the factories created the smoke that emitted chemicals, polluted water. So in this way, the industrial revolution that precipitated the environmental problems and environments, though industrial society neglects its environments, now it is the prime concern of humanity. And the overcrowding in the cities that created a large number of slums. So when the people migrated to urban areas and cities, there was shortage of living houses, shortage of food facilities, then again drainage that was not properly cleaned. So slums that were emerged in the cities, that is another important problem created by the industrial revolution. So that naturally created the problem of housing, health and sanitation, and large number of families were compelled to live in congested apartments and rooms. And along with the environmental problems, the moral standards of the people that was also affected by the industrial revolution. Naturally, you can see that large number of people who were migrated to the cities, they deserted their family in the villages, and they spent the laborers who were leading the life, very miserable life. They find out time and or at the same time they were addicted to ganja, then again alcohol. So the moral life of the people that was affected by the industrial revolution, low wages, absence of civil rights, all that created much problem in concern with the industrial revolution. But the industrial revolution created positive result also. Life that now become very comfortable. People had to move every place by using steam driven ships, railway, all created a new connectivity and new preservative mechanism like that of refrigerator, then again air conditioner. So in this way, life now become very comfortable and at the same time that became luxurious. So the industrial revolution created the positive results also. So in this way, we have to make a study on the impact of industrial revolution.